In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity Finance to quickly gather stock data and compare company performance. I'll start by typing a request for NVIDIA's current stock price and the top 3 news catalysts driving its movement over the last 24 hours. Once I submit the prompt, the AI scans real-time sources to compile a comprehensive answer. The results indicate that NVIDIA is trading at approximately $208, driven by strong sentiment from Intel's earnings, high AI demand, and anticipation for upcoming tech reports. Now, I'll take it a step further by asking for a comparison table featuring Microsoft, Google, and Meta. I want to see their revenue growth, profit margins, and P/E ratios based on the most recent quarterly filings from 2026. Perplexity quickly gathers the data and presents a structured table that makes it easy to compare these tech giants at a glance. It even includes detailed notes on the specific quarters used, such as Microsoft's 2026 Q2 results and Meta's 2025 year-end data. This makes it a powerful tool for anyone looking to simplify their financial research and get clear, actionable insights in seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.